This easy DIY spiral balloon tower without stand requires 2 packets of different colored balloons, 2 balloon toppers, and curling ribbon. I used an electric balloon pump to blow up blue and white balloons. For the topper, I used 2 stars in blue and yellow. First, let's make a set of balloons. Blow up 2 different colored balloons and tie them up together like so. Tie them twice. We will call this a set of balloons. And here we have 1 set of balloons. For this spiral balloon tower, without using a stand, each layer will have 4 balloons, 2 balloons in each color. Release some air if your balloon is a little too big. If you haven't done so, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Once you are done blowing up the balloons, blow up the balloon toppers. There should be minimal crease on the edge of the balloon toppers. That's how you know that you are done blowing it up. If you continue to blow up the balloon, it will burst. Second, let's make the base. Take a balloon and fill it with little water like so. This water balloon will be our base. Tie a curling ribbon around the water balloon. You can double layer the balloon base to avoid any water spillage, especially if your spiral balloon tower will be displayed outdoor. Third, let's make the first layer of the spiral balloon tower. Take 2 sets of balloons and insert 1 set into another set and twist them like so. Once you are done, the balloons should feel secure to each other and it should look like this. This will be the first layer. Make sure that the balloons are alternating in color. Now, take the water balloon and loop the curling ribbon around each of the balloons. Once you are done looping around the balloons, pull the curling ribbon through the middle of the first layer. There should be no gaps between the water balloon and the first layer. Do not cut off the curling ribbon. We will need to use it as we layer the balloons on top of each other. Continue to make the second layer. Place the second layer over the first layer. Pay attention to the placement of your balloons to create the spiral look. Take the curling ribbon and continue to loop it around the second layer and the first layer. The curling ribbon will help to secure your layers. It is very important that you pull the ribbon and tuck them gently each time you loop around a balloon. Now go ahead and make the third layer. What I am doing is I am looping the curling ribbon around the third layered balloons, the second layered balloons, and the first layer balloons, so that they are all nice and tight and secured. Our third layer is almost done. It is very important that you pull the ribbon and tuck them gently each time you loop around a balloon. Here I am working on the fourth layer. And continuing the same process with the fifth layer. Once you are done making the tower, now you cut off the curling ribbon. Lastly, let's attach the balloon toppers. Tie curling ribbon around the neck of the balloon topper. Position the balloon topper and secure it in place by looping the curling ribbon to the balloons under it. If you have made it this far, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy DIYs. You will not regret it. Thank you. Once you feel that the topper is secured, you may go ahead, cut off the curling ribbon, and you are done. Voila! Here is your very easy DIY spiral balloon tower without stand.